True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, so this is a part 2 of the video in Calabash Bay in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man. So take a walking tour. Yeah man, so with a Calabash Bay. Yeah man, so we're gonna walk the street and show you what I'm going. So I can indicate where I'm watching from, and this is a walking video in the Calabash Bay area. Normally I know I drive and tour around Jamaica, but I try to do something different and show the people them the other side of St. Elizabeth by just walking. Yeah man, so you know me have to always keep hydrated. Yeah man, all the time. So you know you have a lot of villa in this area. So feel free to visit our beautiful island, Jamaica. This is the Calabash House 8 cottage. Yeah man, see there? Soon our running things will be up and running. So you can contact 876-434-2778. Yeah man, make a call if you want to visit them place. Yeah, them can give you more information on what to do. See this sign where them say Treasure Beach walking tour. Yeah man, like up the video man, like up the video free of cost. Our beautiful parish St. Elizabeth. One love, one heart, my beautiful people. It's the place to be in St. Elizabeth. Mountain View Cottage. So over there is the Mountain View Cottage. You get a view of the seaside. It's very beautiful from the other side. Yeah man, remember say Calabash Bay over there, you know. Yeah man, so you know every year them always keep something down here, them call him Calabash Bay. Every year them keep it, so no need to come down here and enjoy the Calabash Bay. Them always have a lot of events. People from all different places come out in this area. They set up them different booths. I tell you say the weather not normal, my people. The sun is very hot. But you know, so we are do it same way. We are do it, you know? Do it, we are do it, man. So when you're in the Calabash area, guys, you can go to Sprat. You can go to GX. You all know Jack Sprat. They do a lot of different variety of food. Yeah man, so if you love your jerk chicken or so your seafood, you can check it out at Jack Sprat. Yeah man, walk the area. Show you what go on. The boss here come up with speed, you know. I have to watch it, you know, man. Yeah, man, so this is a gift shop right here. Yeah, man, Island Time gift shop. Open every day 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Yeah, man, so it's on the gift shop. Beside the gift shop right here, beyond the Sunset Bar and Grill. Yeah. Oh my, look at this beautiful, what is here? So guys, I will take you all right to the Sprat area. So this is the Treasure Beach Church of God. Yeah, man, so a church of worship. So church in progress right now. We are very close to Jake's Hotel and Villa. Bars. Yeah, man, see it. Remember the old school car? Yeah, man, so this is one of the landmark to know say that Jake's, you know? So that Jake's at the moment. Jake's Treasure Beach. I would say, I'm giving a walk-through tour, not staying for long. So now have an idea how we get to the place. So we are very close to Sprat. Just a shade away from Jake's, guys. Sprat notice board now open. Yeah, man, so Sprat still up and running. See the sign there? Nah, stay too long. Go where you're going now. You're walking down the street. You go straight down to Sprat. Show no where I'm going. Yes, my people, I tell you, journey not easy, you know. Yeah, man, it's a good walk. Yeah, man, it's a good walk. As we say, a lot of villas down here. A lot of villas where you can come, spend a weekend, your choice. You can spend a week, month. Treasure Beach is the place to be. Yeah man, see it? See sign way down there, so down there, so we are go. Welcome to Jack Sprat. So now have an understanding what is the area is like. Yeah man, so you can get a feel of it before you reach to your destination. So I can remember back in the days, I used to remember that look you used to stand up here and walk up different steps and stuff. You realize there is no more it right here. Now so you have the Jack Sprat, you have the seafood and the pizza, you have a 24 hours banking service there. Yeah man, see it there? Big up our Jamaican people and big up everybody, you know. And wave party, wave all white party, tickets sold here. So you need to check it out. I say we're not place no order today. I'm going to walk around and show you what I'm going. Yeah man. Yeah man, I tell you say I love feeling the essence here. I love feel a breeze man. You can smell the nice food cooking over there. Right over Jack Sprat over there. You can smell the food from that side. It smells so good. So yeah man, so you can big up for yourself and you wanna watch from the people. Big up for yourself, one love, one heart. Come enjoy the beach with Fire Reid man. Walk on the sun in a change of beach. Alright. Yeah man, so we walk, go back up on the beach now and show you how I go on. This is a good investment over here too, you know. Private property, but I don't know if it's for sale.